Hello, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, shalom, salamu alaikum, whatever you like. Greet you today. Well, today we're gonna talk about relationships or social issues among Somalis. Well, Somali people or Somali couples have big problems during their relationships, and the major problems they're facing is um, there is no any interaction. He see Somali people are a bit uh, paranoid. We call it in of Somali boofs, you know, and these kind of things are making sure that Somali people are not really interacting with each other. So yeah, my solution is to set up a social network or some sort of social center for Somali people who fail in relationships. 80% of the Somali marriages fail. You know why? Because there is no love. Why is there no love? Because Somali women do not have a male role model in their life. And so therefore they cannot please their their partners or their male or their boyfriends or whatever, or their pimps or whatever. Anyway, we continue. So I want to set up. Hey guys, don't steal my plan, yeah? This is my plan. I want to set up a social network or social institute for Somali Garobs who are willing to, you know, um, want to be better. In the future, we want 80% of Somali marriages fail. We want 10% of the Somali marriages to fail, and that's the key to the solution. If you believe in me, you know, you can support me in this. I think I found the solution. The problem is there is no love, there is no interaction, there is lots of bullfish, there is a lot of problems between the people. And in the near future, uh, I want to change lots of things among the Somali people. So the Gorob issue is the major problem why we have single mothers in England, in Europe, in Sweden, everywhere. You know why? Because the people or the young people, Somali students, Somali girls, get married too quickly and there is no love. Within 6 months she's dating and she's married. I didn't even know she had a boyfriend. You know, these kind of problems are making sure that the Somali marriages fail. And the institution I'm setting up for the Somali social people who want to participate in these kind of social courses I'm giving in the future, they are helping you. It's something like advice I give you. Anyway, that's the thing. Goodbye, guys. Salaam alaikum, shalom, whatever you like. Do your thing, and don't worry. Don't have bullfish. Don't do paranoia and all these kind of things. It's not good for you. It's not good for my عافيمات also. Don't worry a lot. شكك badan. It's not good for you. So guys, bless. Good morning, good evening, good whatever. Shabbat shalom, salam alaikum, whatever you may like. Today we're going to talk about Somali marriages and why do they fail. You know why they fail? Because there is no love, there is no interaction, there is no passion. Everything that is missing, romance is missing, everything is failing. You know why? Because the Somali female is absolutely a failure in love, in relationships. The Somali male absolutely, I think he needs some, we can work on him, but the Somali female is a total failure. That's what I think. If you don't believe me, I don't give a fuck because I don't care. Anyway, I want to set up an institute for Somali people everywhere in the world, a social institution that brings all the Somali people together. We will set them up in refugee camps in India, in Somalia, in Ethiopia, everywhere where Somalis are. That is my plan. Do not steal my plan. Everybody on YouTube, I'm telling you, do not steal my plan. That is my plan to bring all the, the Garobs and the Bufis and the people all together. Because I know deep inside they know their problems and I can bring them all and cure all these problems. I know they're sick, but that's what we are thinking in the future. I'm working on that. So guys, in the future, I'm setting up these social camps or social institutes, whatever you can call them. I don't like, and that's what I'm going to do. I believe we can work on that. I believe we can take care of them. I believe the near future we won't have single mother, single father, single hoyo, single slan. We won't have that. We will bring and work with them all together as one family. That's what I believe. That's my dream. Martin Luther King had a dream. This is my dream. Bring all the socialists and the communists and the garobs and the bufis and the all together and cure them. That is my dream. So guys, I tell you again, salam alaikum, shabbat shalom, whatever you like, and have a nice day.